Okay, so here I am again. We're going to put together a form using Jotform. I know Julie's going to put something together. It's probably going to look a lot nicer, but I just wanted to put something out so you guys can start working on it. All right, so here I went to www.jotform.com. You're going to go to that website and you'll create an account, and then this is the page that you'll see. Isn't it lovely? All right, so you're going to go here. Create form, and we're going to start off with a blank form, and the name of this is going to be just so that I don't get it mixed up, check me out, I'm a rock star. All right, continue. All right, so here you have all the quick tools that you can use. Obviously, quick tools. So we're going to start off, sorry, I had a brain freeze there. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to make sure that their name is on here. First name, last name, and we want to make this a required field. Okay? Then you want their email. And again, you want it to be a required field. I like to have their address because sometimes Audrey likes to play hide and seek with people's addresses. So I like it so that they can put that on there. It's up to you whether or not you want it. Any of these fields are really up to you. Well, with the exception of the email, you kind of need that. I can do a phone number, date and time, all this other stuff. I don't need any of that. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. And then you're going to come over here to Form Tools. And there's a lot of different ways to do it. The first time I did the form, I just did a text area, and they went ahead and wrote a description of everything that they wanted. But the second time I did it, I sort of liked having the drop-down radio buttons. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here, and, oh, it's not a text box. Sorry. Brain freeze again. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to do a drop-down. Okay? And so my first item that I carry, and again, this is me being OCD, but I like mine to be in alphabetical order, Amelia. Then you're going to come down over here to this little thingy, and it's going to bring that up. And you can just type right over it, and this is where I'm going to put all the sizes. And let's caps lock it. Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, to extra large. Okay, all right, so now we have that, and we have all of our sizes. Then I'm going to go to a text box. Now this is because now I want to know which small Amelia did you pick. So maybe take that off. Description of Amelia, in case they bought more than one, you chose, or however you want to write it. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Come back over here, drop down. And I also carry the Azure. Whoops, click to edit over here. Azure. And we're going to click on this little thingy-mabobber. And all the sizes. Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, 2, extra large, you know, whatever. I mean, going down the list, you're going to put in all of your different inventory that you carry. Now, I liked having the LuLaRoe logo on there, so I went ahead and I uploaded a picture of the logo, and the one that I used was actually the see-through one, which is this one here. And I selected that image. If you need to download an image, you're going to go, or upload here, hit next, and then you're going to choose a file, and you can just choose whatever logo or whatever you want to download. Okay, since I've already done this, I'm going to cancel here and close. All right, so here I have my LuLaRoe logo, and you have the little dealy-mabobber where you can shrink it and make it bigger. And And then at the very end, I actually took this off. At the very end, you have your submit button. I went ahead and made mine a little bit different because when you preview this, it's just very white. I don't like white. So I went ahead and I went to themes. And you can see right there, I chose that theme. Okay. There are different ones. You can do one that just has the color background. You can do another brick in the wall, which I thought that one was kind of cool. I sort of struggled. This one's my favorite. But I kind of figured there's not everyone's a pet lover, so I chose not to do it. You can buy some, you know, whatever you want. And then we'll go and we'll fix this. But anyway, so let's pretend like this is the one that I chose. So I'm going to go ahead and do Save Changes. Go back to Builder. And now there's my puppy. He's so cute. And now my LuLaRoe over here is too big. So let's shrink it so that it fits. If, let's say I decide, you know what, I don't want this here. I want this somewhere else. I can move it up and down. Okay. Let me move it back down, and I'll show you what I did on my other one. Is I submitted an image, chose from existing, and I used this one. Sorry about the jingling bell. My cat is chasing God knows what. My name on it, and so I put that all the way up to the top. If you're really smart, which I wasn't, you would do this first so you don't have to move everything. As you add stuff, it adds it to the bottom. So if you think ahead of what you want, then you don't have to do all this, you know, moving up and down shenanigans. But that's how you move it up and down. What else can we add here? We have our submit button. I think that's about it. Oh, if you want to say, okay, here you want a divider right here between the address and when you start your inventory, you do text, which again, because I did this late in the game, it comes down here to the bottom, and you're going to basically write out whatever you want. This is where you tell me what you claimed. I don't know. Whatever words you want to use. You know, delete all this nonsense. Complete. And now this I want to move up again because I don't want it at the very bottom. Move up. Move up. And so that's where it's going to show up, and then all my inventory is on there. Okay. So that's that. If you want like a thank you page, you come back up here, thank you, and it'll have your background that you chose, and then a thank you, and if you wanted to change, you can change that. You can remove that. If you want to add an image, you can put an image in there. Say I wanted to add thank you. Okay, and then you can change the size if you don't want it to be big and obnoxious. All right, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's that. Save changes. So your customer will get that when they finish their submission. Emails. I left mine as LuLaRoe Debbie Butera because that's where I want everything to go to, and if I respond back to them, I want it to be from there. So, but if you have a different email that you want to use, you can change it here. Okay, so let's preview what we've done. this is what it's going to look like. So they'll see LuLaRoe WB Tara, check me out, I'm a rock star, their name, their email, their address, everything that they claimed, that, and the submit button. So let's take a look-see. I'm going to come over here, we're going to hit publish. And I don't like all the little numbers, see on the address. So if you click on that edit button, it puts the check me out, I'm a rock star, which is what I named it. I'm guessing you can change it. Look at me. I'll leave it at that. That's fine. Oh, look at that. You can make your own name. So this is the link that I'm going to put on my checkout slide when I post in my group. And let's come back over here and let's open up. Wow, my cat is going to town with a ponytail. So sorry about all the dinglings. Okay, that sounded bad. All the ringing of the bell. All right, so let's come over here. Becoming LaShine. Oh, no, not becoming. Duh. My group. So I'm going to come over here. And I have my checkout slide somewhere here. Okay. And so what I do on mine is I put, see it says complete the link in the comments and I'll send you an invoice. So I delete all the old comments and then Control V, and there's my my form. Okay. I'm going to delete that because I really don't want people in my group to see that. Okay, but that's how you do it. Then there's the link, you have it. If let's see, where did I go? If let's say I am, I'm using it, I'm oh, there's, you can check out the name. So I've submitted this. Okay, hold on. I keep losing my track of thought. Actually, I think that's it. There's really not much more to this shenanigans. He caught the ponytail. I wish I could show you guys. Anyway, let's say you're here, you lost where you copied the link. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but this is what I've been doing. As I come back over here to more, publish, and then this little thingy comes up again and I just copy the link. So that's what I do with Jotform. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, talk to your sponsor, talk to me, and that's about it. Happy invoicing!